Right mate, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. It's another vlog, so you know what this means. I'm going to be doing stuff as I've just gotten from school and we've had him here. He's downstairs, probably, trying to feel my cat.
Says you.
You stroking her? No, joking about that. Just need to put my phone on charge soon, but yeah. Hope you've all had a good day. I'm going to have... That video has unfortunately been taken off. Too many stick comments means I'm taking it off. But yeah, that's going to be about that. Whoa. It's only going to be like a quick vlog because there's going to be like another proper video coming up on this channel tonight, which I can't tell you. It's going to be a new series. I've seen it on this channel before. It's a Would You Rather. Oh shit, I've just told you. Don't matter. Would You Rather, it's a new series, yeah. I'm going to do that. But, oh god, phone's going to need charging soon. But that's about it, guys, for now. And I will see you guys in a bit. See ya!